UBQ is a unique material. It takes that messy, entangled waste that doesn't fit anywhere in any system, that can't be used anywhere, and makes something practical and useful out of it. The UBQ feedstock has multiple uses, and our factory here in Holland shows how we've developed a unique manufacturing facility that can take advantage of this. As in nature, one needs a diversity of solutions. UBQ is one, and it's a good one. Different materials that UBQ can be involved with will have different mechanical properties according to the specifications of use, and these can be accurately applied and prescribed.